Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you all through the latest enhancements in ServiceDesk Plus Cloud. First up, you can now mention users in request notes by using @ symbol, making collaboration easier. You can also add attachments to the request notes directly from your computer or the cloud. We have enhanced the request lookup fields to support both the asset and CMDB module, making it easier to refer the data from asset while creating a request. Everyone, one of the most requested feature is here, which is nothing but checklist automation. Yes, checklist subentity is now available in request triggers through which you can automate actions based on checklist criteria such as name, description, status, and more. Help card feature has now been added to request template to guide users while creating or editing request. You can also add reference documents to help card template to provide all the necessary details to the end users. You can also associate a request with solutions directly from the request details page. These solutions are identified as referred solutions. This feature will ultimately help you to monitor the number of requests linked to a specific solution. This can be tracked by navigating to associated tabs under each solution. Field and form rules are now supported in custom modules to make fields mandatory and to show hide fields based on the fields added to the custom module. And you can also include other criteria. Finally, you can customize the service catalog to view service categories in list view, card view, and panel view layout. You can choose to display template and catalog description either by default or on hover. You can rearrange the order of service categories, and you can expand all the categories to reveal all the templates. This part of customization will help you to tailor the catalog as per your organization needs. That's all for now. See you in next video.
Hello everyone, in this video, we are diving into the latest features of ServiceDesk Plus on-premises. Our first feature would be the AD Manager Plus integration enhancement. We have enhanced the ServiceDesk Plus integration with AD Manager Plus, which makes managing Active Directory easier than ever. So here, you can perform multiple AD actions like resetting AD passwords, creating or deleting users, and even more directly from the ServiceDesk Plus user interface. For an instance, when a new user joins your organization, you no longer need to enter their details twice. You can directly create an account in AD from ServiceDesk Plus and can sync the additional information seamlessly. Mapping ServiceDesk fields with AD fields is no longer a challenge. You can map it directly from ServiceDesk Plus, which makes the process much more simple and more user-friendly. Our next feature would be the bell notification enhancements. You can turn on Do Not Disturb mode to turn off bell notifications, ensuring uninterrupted focus. Along with that, you can organize and refine your bell notifications by sorting and filtering them in the notifications panel, keeping you on top of what matters. Our third standout feature would be an option to insert solution content into your reply template. So you can embed your solution content right into your replies, streamlining communication with clear, immediate answers. You can also provide links to detailed solution right into your replies so that all the users get all the information they need in a snap. Now let's explore the latest security upgrades in ServiceDesk Plus. Boost your security with two-factor authentication is now supported in ServiceDesk Plus mobile application. With this, you will be able to streamline your workflow by bypassing TFA for verified operations during the re-authentication period. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you all in the next one. Cheers.